Hey there! If you want to get a perfect review, a straightforward review about the Tapstitch, is it any good or what is the pros and cons of this platform, then this video is for you. First, let's talk about the pros of Tapstitch. So the pros are premium garments, high quality streetwear, style blanks, oversized or acid wash, and 250 to 400 GSM fabrics. That could be a good one for you. Now, the second pro is great design tools, 3D mockups and large print areas, no upfront cost, no inventory needed, low risk for new brands, integrations works with Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, supports branded dropshipping. Positive reviews, user praise, product quality, and customer service. Now, here is the cons that show slow shipping, fulfillment can take 3 to 4 weeks, and high cost. Inconsistent print quality, some reports of dull AOP prints, expensive base prices may affect your profit margin. So these three are costs that you should consider or keep it on your mind. Now, whom are best for this? Now, fashion forward or streetwear brand that value quality over fast shipping are actually best for these tap stitches. Not ideal for those needing fast, cheap fulfillment or consistently vibrant all over prints. So here is the final verdict for you. Tapstitch is a great pick for launching stylish, high quality apparel, especially if you are not in a rush. Ideal for fashion brands wanting to stand out. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.